Changing your payout method on Prolific is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure you receive your earnings through your preferred payment option. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Prolific website and log into your account using your registered email and password. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. This can usually be found in the upper right corner of the homepage, often represented by your profile picture or an icon. Step 3. Select Payout Methods. In the Account Settings menu, look for the section labeled Payout Methods or Payment Settings. Click on this option to view your current payout method and available alternatives. Step 4. Choose your preferred method. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new payout information, make sure to save your changes. Look for a confirmation message to ensure that your new payout method has been successfully updated. By following these steps, you can easily change your payout method on Prolific. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Prolific support for assistance.